Welcome back, friends. In this video, I am going to be experimenting yet again with yet another egg white protein powder. I was made aware of this other brand that I had seen on Amazon, but I wasn't aware that you could get it for a lower price if you bought a higher quantity. So when you click on the listing, it gives you different quantity options, and the higher you go, the cheaper it is per ounce. So if you buy a 1 kilogram bag, which is about 2.2 pounds, you can get it for 71 cents an ounce, which is just 1 cent an ounce more per ounce than the 5-pound container of the Now brand. So if you want to get a smaller quantity to test it out, you can actually get it a lot cheaper. The 2.2 pound or 1 kilogram bag comes out to $24.96, about $25. And then if you've tried this bread before and you know that you like it, you can go up and buy 5 kilograms at a time, which is about 11 pounds, and get the price down to 50 cents per ounce. So that's 20 cents per ounce less than the cheapest I had found before, which was the Now brand. And then if you're absolutely insane, you can even go up to buying 50 pounds at a time, and it brings the price down to 35 cents an ounce. So maybe if you have some like keto friends and all of you love this bread, you could go in on a big order together and get it for super, super cheap. 35 cents an ounce is half the price of the Now brand, which was the cheapest I had found before. So of course I went ahead and ordered some because I wanted to test it out before I recommended it to you guys. And I wasn't quite crazy enough to order the 50 pounds. Maybe I will in the future if it works out really well. But I went ahead and ordered the 11 pounds or the 5 kilogram pack. And the way they sent it was 5 1 kilogram bags. So let's break this open and get baking and see if it works out. I feel like you guys have seen me make this bread 100 times now, but I am gonna just do it for you again. 12 egg whites, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/4 cup of allulose, half teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna get that blended up before I put in the egg white protein powder. I'm gonna weigh out 80 grams. I'm gonna do 2 mini loaves with this batch. Get them all spread in here, make them look pretty, and we'll pop them in the oven. Into the oven these go for about 30 minutes. I'll show you real quick what it looks like, and then we'll let it sit in here for 30 minutes. There, they look crazy. Sometimes they just look crazy, but they look good. They rose. Time to take these out of the oven to cool. They still look very nice. So far, I am going to call this protein powder a win. I will let it cool completely and then slice it up and make sure it tastes good. But looks like it worked just as well as any of the other egg white protein powders that I've tried. Okay, let's get this sliced, and I'll give it a quick taste test just to make sure there's not some weird taste that I wasn't aware of. From what I can tell so far, the bread has turned out just like normal with the other egg white protein powders that I've used, so no worries there. There is a view of the texture. Just beautiful. Taste test. Taste is wonderful. All right, I think it's a win. Bulk Supplements brand is my new cheapest egg white protein powder option. I hope that was helpful and somewhat informative, and I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you again in another video.